At first, tell the name. For example, her name is Tom. Then, tell about the age. For example, he is or she is 10 years old. Tell about the nationality. He is or she is German. The fourth one is language. He or she speaks English. Number 5 is location. Where is he or she from? He or she is from London. The sixth one is status. He or she is a student. Then tell about the personality. He is or she is mean, kind, polite, rude, serious, funny. Tell about likes and dislikes. Use the verb with ing ending. For example, he or she likes dancing. When you are talking about dislikes, you also can use the verb with ing ending. He or she doesn't like swimming. Another examples of dislikes. He or she doesn't like cats, dogs, pets, summer, and so on. Introduce the person interesting.